Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a very useful video. If your Microsoft Teams app is failing to load and showing you error code 0xCAA80000, I will show you exactly how to repair the app and fix your network settings right now. Let's get started. First, click on your Windows Start menu and open your main system settings. Navigate to the Apps section on the left and click on Installed Apps. Scroll down until you find Microsoft Teams, click the three dots next to it, and select Advanced Options. Click the Repair button to let Windows attempt to quickly fix the app's files, and once that finishes, click the Reset button right below it to completely clear out any corrupted app data. Next, we need to make sure your computer is allowed to communicate with Microsoft servers using the correct security protocols. Click your Windows search bar, type Internet Options, and open the Control Panel app. Click on the Advanced tab at the very top and scroll all the way down to the security list. Make sure to check the boxes next to Use TLS 1.0, Use TLS 1.1, and Use TLS 1.2, then simply click Apply and OK before completely restarting your computer to resolve the error. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.